destination.
Is this north that side?
Gravity, he'll weigh 7 times his normal body weight. Check it out. The F-35C Lightning II carrier rig. At about 300 knots, that's about 345 miles per hour. Look carefully because the gear will come down. As the gear comes down, he gets to that slow enough speed, he will continue to slow the aircraft to about 140 knots or about 160 miles per hour. When the aircraft is actually going to be landed on an aircraft carrier, it's the deck of the carrier. When that happens, he goes from 160 some miles an hour down. Wow! That is awesome. You got the nose pulled up, what, 30 degrees? Look at the vapors on that. Opens the weapons bay doors. He'll swing back around here. We'll get a little time to get this. And if you're doing videos, you might consider.
On the F-35C model, we don't have an internal gun.
Here it comes.
Cool.